Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the Thumbtack app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card in order to pay for services. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Thumbtack app. Next, click on your profile icon on the top right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account, then click on Edit Payment Methods. Click on Add a Card, and then this is where you can enter your credit card details, such as your number, expiration, CVC, and zip code. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the Thumbtack app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.